The most affordable foldable phone ever, Phantom V Fold. The Phantom outshines other foldables, excluding the Galaxy, in terms of proportions. Its cover screen is more extensive and more practical than Samsung's, and the foldable display inside is also larger. To support the sizable 120Hz OLED screen, a substantial battery is necessary, resulting in a weight just under 300 g. The camera system is impressive with dual 50MP lenses for main and telephoto, along with an autofocusing ultra-wide. Notably, the Tecno offers autofocus on an ultra-wide, a feature lacking in Samsung's foldables. Tecno Phantom design, build quality, handling. The Phantom V Fold is undeniably a foldable, but let's begin the design exploration from the one quarter of its surface that isn't a display. The back panel's unique fiber-like finish, exclusive to Tecno, resembles the one on the Phantom X2 Pro, and we appreciate it here as well. Though fundamentally plastic, it feels premium, offers good grip, and remains fingerprint resistant. The black color option is more subdued than the X2 Pro's Mars Orange, fitting the Fold's understated look. A white alternative is available, but opinions might differ on the copper-colored frame. Tecno Phantom V Fold battery life. Powering the Phantom V Fold is a 5000 mAh battery, matching the Honor Magic Versus and surpassing the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Oppo Find N2, and Xiaomi Mix Fold 2. The Tecno's advanced display and MediaTek Dimensity 9000 Plus chipset set it apart. In real-world testing, it demonstrated reliability with 11 hours of web browsing at 120 Hz, 44 hours of looping videos at 60 Hz, 29 hours of call time, and an average standby efficiency, resulting in an overall endurance rating of 92H. Android 13, HiOS Fold 13 on top. The Phantom V Fold operates on Android 13, coupled with the in-house HiOS and version Fold 13. It stands out as Tecno's first device with the latest Core OS version, featuring a foldable-specific implementation of the proprietary software. HiOS, known for its feature-packed Android overlay, offers extensive split-screen multi-window functionality to make optimal use of the foldable form factor. Plenty of megapixels, functional cover screen. The Tecno Phantom V Fold boasts a competent camera setup with a triple rear configuration and a selfie camera for each display. The back features dual 50MP lenses for main and telephoto, along with a 13MP autofocusing ultra-wide. Despite different selfie camera resolutions, 32MP on the cover, 16MP inside, the fully functional camera UI on the cover screen allows using the rear cameras for selfies when unfolded. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Tecno Phantom V Fold specs at a glance. Body: 159.4 by 140.4 by 6.9 mm unfolded. 159.4 x 72 x 14.2-14.5 mm folded. 299G. Display: 7.85 foldable LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, 2000 x 2296px resolution. Cover display: 6.42-inch LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, 1080 by 2550 pixels. Memory: 256 GB, 12 GB RAM, 512 GB, 12 GB RAM. OS/software: Android 13, HiOS 13 Fold. Rear camera: wide, main 50MP, telephoto, 50MP, 2x optical zoom, ultra-wide angle, 13MP, 120 degrees. Selfie camera: cover, 32MP, internal, 16MP. Video capture: rear camera, 4K, 1080p, front camera, 1080p. Battery, 5000 mAh, 45W wired, 40% in 15 minutes, 100% in 55 minutes. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment and share your ideas with us. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.